Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform turn and flick. Turn and flick is 5 stars dribbling skill. In order to perform it, while moving in the direction, flick the right analog into the moving direction and then upwards or downwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.